Hello students, welcome to our channel Study Fact. Right after the higher secondary exam results, it is not very easy for the commerce stream students to choose any college to continue their studies. As they are well focused about their future, they will definitely want to get admitted in a reputed BBA college. Well, many of them want to know which college is best for their further studies and how much marks can lead them to a good BBA college. So in this video, I will discuss about top BBA colleges across India with their courses, fees, facilities, scholarships, placements, etc. Also, you will be glad to know that we have published our study app. To know further details of the app, you have to watch the video till end. But before we begin, I want to thank all of you for joining into today's video. If you are new to our videos, please subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get more educational and informative videos. So today's discussion will be about J.D. Birla Institute or the JDBI in Kolkata. J.D. Birla Institute or the JDBI Kolkata was established in the year 1962 by late Shushila Devi Birla, wife of eminent industrialist late L.N. Birla, named after Srimati Jawahari Devi. The institute has completed more than 50 years and has been providing academic excellence and practical skill set to the future generation to face global challenges and lead the country into the world of the future. JDBI places a high value on providing girl students with fulfilling their educational experience in their chosen discipline and achieve their individual goals. J.D. Birla Institute, Kolkata ensures quality education with integrity, consistency, and due diligence. The college witnessed the top recruiters that hired JDBI students. For the exemplary standards that it has set over the years, it was awarded the highest grade A by National Assessment and Accreditation Council or the NAAC. The institute has grown with the needs and demands of the changing times. JDBI is a private unaided educational institution that has been sponsored by the Vidya Mandir Society, an educational trust managed by the S.K. Birla Group. The society has been headed by Chairman Mr. S.K. Birla, President Mrs. Sumangala Birla and Secretary General Mr. V.N. Chaturvedi. JDBI encourages female education and has been filling the gap of scientific education of women. J.D. Birla Institute courses offer various specializations in UG, PG and diploma programs through its courses. The college is affiliated to Jadavpur University, a world-renowned center of excellence and is recognized by UGC. The college provides a well-maintained infrastructure for enabling effective learning. The conducive teaching and learning environment is provided through a well-secured, neat and clean campus, air-conditioned lecture rooms equipped with LCD projectors, state-of-the-art laboratories and required supporting systems. JDBI facilities are impressive, ensure student focus. J.D. Birla Institute, Kolkata, West Bengal provides a dedicated and well-qualified faculty for effective course delivery to students. The teaching is based on the lectures and seminar and project work that provides practical hands-on experiences and prepares students to face the challenges of a rapidly changing world. So at next, we will know about J.D. Birla Institute facilities. The JDBI library is automated and has an impressive collection of learning resources including books, journals, periodicals, magazines, newspapers and reference materials covering all the fields of applied science and commerce for all the undergraduate and postgraduate courses. The library also provides good audio-video resources. JDBI Library is also known as the Learning Resource Center or LRC. The LRC is fully automated through KOHA or KOHA with OPAC or OPAC facility. J.D. Birla College provides 8 computers terminals for students to search for the resources available at the internet annexed room where they can also freely browse on the internet and prepare presentations. LRC offers a separate research journal section creating an appropriate environment for a literature survey and research center. J.D. Birla Institute, Kolkata, West Bengal offers various laboratories for practical learning of students. These laboratories will enable the effective learning of students. JDBI hired well-qualified and dedicated faculties for lab guidance. JDBI offers accidental insurance to students during the period of their studentship for any accident that may occur in course of and out of their studentship. Students can register for this facility on the college campus by submitting valid information. JDBI is a women's college, which means that the safety and other requirements are necessary for the betterment of students. The college offers several such cells working on the college campus to hear from them and provide a helping hand. The cell like sexual harassment cell, students grievance cell, anti-ragging cell are working for the betterment of girls' education. Other facilities of this college are Wi-Fi campus, 250-seater convention center for seminars and special lectures, common students recreational area, cafeteria, infirmary, playground, workshops, industrial visit, career counseling, special lectures, field visit, and educational excursion. As I mentioned earlier, JD Birla Institute offers undergraduate, postgraduate, and diploma courses in science and commerce discipline. So now we will go through this college's eligibility criteria. For MSc, the candidate must have passed the BSc in Home Science or Textile Science or Clothing and Fashion Studies from the Jadavpur University or any other recognized university from Jadavpur University. For BSc, the student must have passed the 10+2 examination of any recognized board or council from Jadavpur University, securing a minimum of 50% aggregate with English as a compulsory subject. For PGDDAN, the candidate must have passed BSc in Home Science or Food and Nutrition or Physiology or Biochemistry or Clinical Nutrition and Dietetics from the Jadavpur University or any other recognized university from Jadavpur University with a minimum of 55% of aggregate. For BCom, the student must have passed the 10+2 examination of any recognized board or council from Jadavpur University, securing a minimum of 50% aggregate with mathematics as a compulsory subject. For MCom, the candidate must have passed the BCom with a minimum of 55% from the Jadavpur University or any other recognized university from Jadavpur University. For BSc Honours in Food Science and Nutrition Management, Interior Designing, Human Development, and Textile Science Clothing and Fashion Studies, minimum eligibility criteria is 10+2 with English as one compulsory language and have secured minimum 50% marks in aggregate. Selection criteria will be on merit plus aptitude test plus personal interview. For BCom, minimum eligibility criteria is 10+2 or HSC with at least 55% marks in aggregate, and the selection criteria is merit plus group discussion. Next, we will go through this college's courses fees. First year fees for BBA Honours is Rs 2 lakhs. First year fees for BCom Honours is around Rs 1.40 lakhs. First year fees of BSc Honours is around 1.60 lakhs. First year fees for the MCom program is Rs 62,000. First year fees for the MSc program is Rs 84,000 and total fees for PG Diploma course is around 73,000. In JD Birla Institute Kolkata, admission is granted to only female candidates. The college gives admission to the foreign candidates as per the rules of Jadavpur University. The aggregate marks are calculated adding the score of best 4 subjects in 10+2, of which English is a compulsory one. Students who are selected for admission shall submit the admission fee within 24 hours from the time of the release of the merit list. Admission will be granted only after the verification of all the necessary documents by the college. JDBI Kolkata offers various scholarship facilities. Freeship or the waiver of tuition fees is granted by the management based on the merit and financial status of the students. JD Birla Scholarship can be in the form of freeship, may also be granted to students with a proven record of representing the state or country in any co-curricular or extracurricular activities. To avail this facility, students should fill the prescribed form available at the college office and submit the same to the principal's office at least 2 months before the commencement of the next semester along with the required documents. The scholarship is also offered for the topper in higher semesters of all the courses. Students can apply for the scholarship by downloading the application form on the college website. The placement cell of JDBI assists students for placement opportunities and counseling. JD Birla Institute placement officers liaisons with various organizations for the placement of students. Also, various institutes visit the college for recruitment. Campus interviews are conducted for the students. JDBI students also get recruited in the organization that they visit for internships. Top recruiters are Phoenix, Godrej, Pepperfry, Design Studio, FPB, Artec, and Ensoi. Friends, you can find the contact number, address, email, website, and online admission link of the college in this video's description. Friends, recently we launched our study app. In that app, you will get college information, career guidance videos, chapter-wise suggestion, and it has a special feature which is Find Local Teacher. You will also get the app download link in this video's description. So thank you friends to be with us throughout the video. If this video seems to be informative to you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to click on the bell icon to never miss further updates. Friends, if you want a video on a particular college, feel free to let us know in the comment section. Also, if I missed some points about this college that you know, you can also mention that. That's all for now. I will be back with another video discussing about another college. Till then, good.